Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? So I went digging through my yellows late yesterday afternoon because I thought I had a Chiefs Kansas City Chiefs color of yellow, and I think this is probably about as close as I'm going to get. And I definitely have enough to get. I think it's going to take me 5 strips to be comfortable to get my binding, so I'm probably going to try to get that done and sewn together and pressed today. I don't know. I know that there's going to be a live quilting that I'm probably going to be watching later on this afternoon. And when I'm watching it and stuff, I may be trying to put the binding on this. I don't know. Do you think this is going to go good with it? I think so. Let me know what you think, but I am ready to call this one done. Talk to you later. Bye.